these little ding marks. Little flat spots. A few scratches there all the way around it. It actually looks way worse after it's been washed. Nicked and dinged up. I don't know what that is. I rolled it over. This side is it's all very rough and faded. It's like the edges are super razor sharp and they're all nicked. They're all you can see the edges are just, this is horrible. So the new barrel showed up today from Faxon, and it is exactly the same condition as the other one. You can see this whole edge right there, all the coating's chipped off because the edges are razor sharp. Grinder mark. That's coating coming off. That piece in there is probably dirt. But the edges are all, you can see that one right there. That's horrible looking stripes. So barrel number 3 showed up today. This is one they actually sent the guy that works there down there to hand select one for me. And looks quite a bit better. It's the one closest to me here. You can tell just by looking at them. The first one sent to me. Second one of the grinder marks somewhere on the barrel extension, and then the latest one is this one. You can. Oh, good. Dent on it. That one's all bent. There's no taper going into the barrel chamber. Not opened that yet. Probably not going to use this Ballistic Advantage barrel because I already bought another one, but so another look at the chambers there. You can see the taper on the right is the Ballistic Advantage, and then the no tapered barrel on the inside on the left there is Faxon. They must have forgot in this batch. Just the muzzle end is way nicer on the Ballistic Advantage. You can put the crush washer on. Notice there isn't much play. It doesn't go back and forth. Put it on the Faxon barrel. I'll do this one-handed, and look at it. It's got so much slop that it's really hard to center the washer when you put the muzzle brake on. It's because they machined a groove in the barrel. I don't know why they did that. Side-by-side comparison with the Faxon up on top and the Ballistic Advantage below. It's just, what a day-night difference. You can see the crappy, you can see the machine marks in the Faxon, and just this one was the best barrel out of the 3 they sent me, and it's all right, but this one is just amazingly smooth. Came with that gas block on it.